Today we are comparing a $100 million airplane to my $20,000 BMW. Me and my girlfriend are going to travel 400 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur to Penang Island and see who gets there faster and cheaper. Right now it's 6:15 a.m. and we are about to leave the house. She's gonna take an airplane. I'm gonna drive all the way to Penang. So let's begin.
I guess I just wait faster.
What are you waiting for?
Bro, I gotta wait for the car to warm up.
So the second guy cancelled. I don't know why this keeps happening to me. I'm not gonna win because I'm actually late for my flight and I don't know if I catch it on time. Oh my god.
So I just started Waze and it's a 360 kilometer trip to be exact. It says I'll be there at 10:15, but since my car is always out of fuel, we've got to refuel first. Other than the fact that I want to know which one of us gets there faster, I want to know which one is more cost effective. So we are gonna count like every single traveling cost from here to Penang and see which one of us actually spends less money. We are gonna do all the math over there, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell.
It took me 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach to the airport, and I had to check in online because they will close the gate 1 hour before the flight. Yeah, I'm lost. I don't know where to go. So it's 7:40 now and it's boarding time. I need to put my stuff here and let's go.
Oh, what is this?
Drivetrain!
What happened? What is this? Ah, drivetrain. Let's go. Now we know that this trip is gonna be amazing.
So it's 7:45. We have another 2.5 hours to go. We are running behind on schedule. The only problem is, for this to be fair, we have to go the speed limit, which is what we are doing right now. So Sherry is gonna wake up soon. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have some conversations about.
Okay, so it's getting super boring right now because all I can do is sit and wait while I'm sure they're having fun. I wish I could go with them.
If you didn't know, the best way to fix your drivetrain error is to turn off the car, turn it back on.
So that's gonna fix the drivetrain?
Yeah.
That is some really cutting edge technology.
I still have your drivetrain. Cut. It's 8:15. I think Kimio's airplane is about to take off. We are almost at a halfway point. We have another 195 kilometers to go. We've already done 165 kilometers. We are 2 hours away from reaching there. I always love reaching Ipoh. It looks really beautiful with all the limestone rocks and the mountains and everything. Hello.
I reached 20 minutes and
Oh my god. It's good. Come, because we are already here. We have already reached. Yeah. We are here. We are drinking
what do
coffee.
you mean?
We are drinking coffee. We are having
Coconut
fun.
shake.
Coconut shake. We are so far behind, but because she just landed, but I have a feeling we still have a chance to win because I mean there's gonna be delays. Then she's gotta take a grab from the airport to the place we're meeting, right?
We are so close.
Okay guys, we landed 20 minutes early, which is good because I'm gonna win. It's been 3 hours since we started this challenge, and yeah, I reached Penang in 3 hours, but we are going to meet at Starbucks. So they said that they're waiting for me, but I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think he lied. So I'm gonna book a Grab. It's quite far from the airport to the Starbucks.
I love this bridge. By far my favorite part about Penang, just driving on this bridge. Love the view that I get on this bridge. It's absolutely amazing. By the way, Kimia gonna have a rough time because I just checked her distance from the airport to place we're meeting, and it's actually a lot. It's gonna be really close.
Almost behind us, and he just shared his live location with me, as you can see here. I don't know how is he coming so fast, and like I took the plane, I reached 20 minutes earlier and he's still behind me. So now the race is between this Grab driver and him. I don't know who will win.
All right, we are really close. We are around 30 minutes away, but it's because of this horrible traffic that we are in. We're actually really close. I really want to win this thing because, you know, BMWs should always win, even if they're racing with an airplane, you know?
Even if you get drivetrain.
Even if you get drivetrain, no matter what. You know, when life gives you a lemon, you make lemonade out of it.
Okay guys, he's so close. I think he's almost like 2 cars behind me. I'm so excited. I don't know who's gonna win. He's 1 car behind us. Like this white car is behind the white car. Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi. He passed us.
All right, so we are almost at the finish line, 250 meters away from the finish line. I feel like I've won. I have no idea if she's already reached or not. I feel like I've won because there's no news about her. We're going to this Starbucks because this is near the hotel that we are gonna go. I totally won because I turned in first.
No.
How is this even possible?
I guess your car is faster than airplane.
Comment down below, who do you think won? Now that I've won the challenge, what do we do now? So we are in the middle of nowhere and I got an engine light saying I don't have enough oil. And I already put the liter in and I still don't have enough oil, so...
That's what you get for driving so hard. Drivetrain machine. Woo!
Dude, what kind of drugs is he on? Learn from me and check up on your oil before you go on a 1,000-kilometer road trip. I don't think there is enough oil left.
No worries, bro. Take this. Monster.
Yeah, can I put this in?
Yeah, definitely.
So let's do a cost breakdown of this trip. It costed me 120 ringgit to fill up my 60-liter tank on my BMW 328i, and I used 45 liters roughly to get there, so which means I spent 90 ringgit on fuel. Another cost was toll, which I had to pay 40 ringgit, and as of the airplane we booked the ticket for 100 ringgit, but we had a 50 ringgit discount which brought the price down to even lower, which is 50 ringgit. The biggest cost was getting to the airport from the point of start and getting from the airport once she landed to the destination, which was 80 ringgit from the point of start to the airport and 40 ringgit from the airport to the destination, which brought the whole cost up to 170 ringgit. There is a very small price to pay to go with the airplane, which of course is less tiring, and as you could see we both reached at the same time. But what you need to consider is a car can carry 5 people and the airplane you're only paying for 1 person. So you can do the math on which one is worth it. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.